Welcome to Apexindo Tasha. We are committed to protecting your safety and health while you are on board. In this induction briefing, you are required to understand 5 rules regarding health, safety, and environment. First, regarding personal protective equipment and other safety equipment. Second, regarding alarm and evacuation. Third, regarding general rules on the rig. Fourth, regarding prohibited actions on the rig. And fifth, regarding quarters on the rig. Please pay attention to this briefing because the most important thing in Apexindo rig is guarantee the effective and practical ways to protect the health and safety of our employee and contractors. Safety first. PPE and other safety equipment. When you are on board the rig, you will receive T-card and personal protective equipment such as coverall, safety glasses, safety helmet, safety gloves, and safety shoes. After receiving T-card, safety officer will show you how to use it and where your muster point is. Please use and taking care of your PPE outside the accommodation. You will notice a lot of safety appliances on board that will be used by Apexindo personnel trained in emergency situation. Rig Tasha is also equipped with trained firefighters and modern fire equipment. As safety precaution, Apexindo applies a permit to work system on the rig by trained personnel. Permit to work system including hard work such as welding, grinding, and cutting, and other works with high potential risks including working above the water and jobs which are involving other departments. A confined space permit are needed to enter a vessel or confined space. Also the part of permit to work system, isolation only carried out by authorized personnel with isolation certificate. We communicate safety through programs such as Permit to Work System, Logout Takeout, Job Safety Analysis, Material Safety Data Sheets, Safety Alert, the Stop Work Authority, Safety Observation Cards, Step Back Process, and Safety Meetings. You are required to observe these programs and participate actively. Please revert to the safety officer or your immediate supervisor for clarification. Attend pre-tour meetings, pre-job meetings, toolbox meeting, and weekly safety meeting actively. Clarify any new hazards or risks available and communicate these to fellow workers. Be proactive. Before starting a job, do step back, spot the hazards, assess the risks, and make changes. This excellent self-assessment initiative covers the basic steps on managing risk, and the usage is fully encouraged. Should you determine that the job is hazardous and do not have enough knowledge or tools to commence, you must stop the job and refer to your immediate supervisor. Don't ever feel afraid to stop a job when you think things may be unsafe. Apexindo management supports Stop Work Authority. Don't wait until someone is about to be injured. At the end of the job, review the entire job and get feedback from everyone how it went. What will you improve on next time? Safety Observation System is an excellent behavior-based safety initiative program. The program requires you to stop an unsafe act or conditions, make corrective actions, and fill in the safety observation card. Similarly, the behavior-based system using the safety observation cards requires you to observe, correct, and report unsafe act and conditions. Alarm and evacuation. In emergency situation, you will hear alarm. There are 5 kinds of alarm that informing different situation. First, the fire alarm. It is an intermittent sound of a bell tone. Report immediately to your master station if you hear this alarm ringing. Second, the preparation of abandoning ship alarm. It is continuous sound of a bell. All personnel must immediately proceed to the lifeboat station if this alarm ringing. Third, the combustible gas alarm. It is a long continuous sound of a siren. Fourth, H2S emission alarm, that is a siren. All personnel are required to go to the designated master station. Fifth, general alarm, that is an intermittent sound of a bell. This alarm is indicating accidents and other issues that is not included in previous alarms. In each alarm will be accompanied with public announcements, and emergency drill are held every week, announced or not announced. Your safety depends on your ability to quickly respond to an emergency situation properly. Remember, do not panic. General rules on the rig. Please pay attention to this following when you are on the rig. Please spare time to observe any condition or situation around you that may cause any harm or damage. Please pay attention to safety signs throughout the rig for your safety. Spend a few minutes to read the copy of safety plan, which available in various parts of the rig and accommodation. Hearing protection is required in the area with high noise levels. Be aware of any possible slip and trip hazard. Please notice overhead crane activity. Do not walk under a suspended load. When you see a person fell overboard, you must shout, "Man overboard." Throw a life ring to the fallen person and keep them inside. The radio operator will alert the standby boat to help. All lifting equipment on board the rig is color-coded. Please visual inspect each piece of lifting equipment before using it. If you are not sure what to do, you should ask. Prohibited actions on the rig. For your safety, please pay attention to Apexindo's policy. Smoking only allowed in designated area. Finger rings, earrings, necklaces, and bracelets shall not be worn. Unauthorized possession or use of drugs, narcotics, alcohol, and weapons is not permitted on board. Recreational fishing and swimming are not allowed. Cell phone is only allowed in accommodation area. In addition, please notice any barriers and warning signs. Never cross or remove a barrier without prior permission. When you walking in the accommodation area, please do not make any noise because it will disturb personnel who take a rest. Keep environmental cleanliness is equally important. Do not throw or dump any rubbish or effluent overboard. This is definitely violating regulations. There are various waste containers on board the rig. Understand the segregation policy and dump your rubbish accordingly. Quarters on the rigs. Rig Tasha is equipped with several quarters to support the personnel. There are accommodations for sleep and rest, 24/7 fully equipped clinic with qualified doctor, and a galley in level 1 providing high-quality food at best hygiene level. Do not wear dirty clothes in the galley or on your rooms. This rig is operating 24 hours a day. These safety aspects applied at day and night. Please pay attention to light, visibility, and communication, especially at night. When you are about to leaving the rig, please return your T card to the radio room. Sign the departure book, and please attend the departure briefing. Please wait in a safe area that has been determined by helideck crew or near the briefing room until the officer told you to proceed to your departure point. Please follow the instruction of officer that will brought you to the transport. If you have any problem regarding safety, health, or environment issues, and you are not satisfied with the line management response, you are entitled to contact the safety department. Apexindo is committed to maintain your health and safety and every personnel on board. Thank you.